In the first few seconds, most people don't realize how much difference a lightweight vacuum can make in everyday cleaning until they actually use one that moves with them instead of against them. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are reviewing the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner, powerful suction 3-in-1 small handheld vac with filter for hard floor, lightweight upright home pet hair, dark black. This is a compact, corded stick vacuum designed for everyday home cleaning, especially suited for hard floors, light carpets, and quick maintenance routines. If you are someone who values convenience, lightweight handling, and consistent suction for daily cleaning, this product is worth understanding. The purchase link is available in the description. Now let's break down what it offers in real-world use and who it actually makes sense for. Reason 1. One of the most noticeable strengths of the Eureka Blaze is its lightweight and balanced design. At around 4 pounds, it is easy to carry across rooms, stairs, and tight spaces without fatigue. In daily cleaning routines, this matters more than it seems on paper. The 3-in-1 design with an onboard crevice tool also reduces the need for additional attachments, keeping the process simple and efficient for quick cleanups. Reason 2. The swivel steering system practically improves maneuverability. Instead of forcing the vacuum in straight lines, it naturally adjusts around furniture and corners. In real use, this creates a smoother cleaning experience, especially in smaller homes or apartments where space is limited. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this feature is often highlighted for making routine cleaning feel less restrictive. Reason 3. The capture nozzle design is built to handle slightly larger debris more effectively than basic stick vacuums that tend to push particles around. On hard floors, this helps maintain consistent pickup performance, especially for crumbs, dust clusters, and pet hair. It is not a heavy-duty deep clean machine, but for surface-level debris, it performs in a controlled and predictable way. Reason 4. The 2-amp motor paired with a washable filtration system focuses on practical, everyday cleaning rather than extreme suction claims. It captures fine dust and pollen, contributing to improved air quality during use. The washable filter also supports long-term cost efficiency since there is no frequent replacement requirement, which is a meaningful advantage for ongoing ownership. Reason 5. Convenience is further supported by the 18-foot power cord and large dust cup. In real usage, this reduces interruptions during cleaning sessions because you are not constantly switching outlets or emptying the bin. For small to medium-sized spaces, this makes the cleaning process more continuous and less fragmented. Now, to keep this balanced, it is important to understand what this vacuum is not designed for. It is corded, not cordless, which limits mobility for some users who prefer completely wireless operation. It is also best suited for hard floors and light debris rather than thick carpets or heavy-duty deep cleaning. So, who should consider it? It is a practical choice for apartment living, quick daily maintenance, pet owners dealing with light shedding, and users who prefer a simple plug-and-play cleaning tool without complex attachments or charging cycles. In the final verdict, the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum stands out for its simplicity, lightweight structure, and reliable everyday performance. It does not try to compete with high-end cordless systems, and that is actually part of its strength. It stays focused on being a dependable, easy-to-use home cleaning tool. If you feel this matches your cleaning needs, take a closer look through the link in the description and make your decision at your own pace. Good products do not always need urgency, just clarity.